Massage gun heads. What is the purpose of each head and how do you use them properly? That's pretty much what we're going to be talking about today, because once you've gotten your massage gun, you probably notice that it's come with a variety of different types of heads, and each one is not meant to be used for everything. I think there is a general purpose one, and I think there are also kind of more specific ones that you would use on certain occasions as well. But that's basically what we're going to get in today. I'm going to be using the Bob and Brad massage gun kind of for demonstration purposes. So if you have a different massage gun, just be aware that what your massage gun comes with might be slightly different than the ones that I'm showing in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and start with the most important one in my opinion, and this is the softball head. This is the main kind of massage gun head that I use. I think this is the most general purpose one, and I would say I use this about maybe 85 to 90% of the time that I'm using my massage gun because it's so versatile. So the softball head is kind of solid because it is a circular round shape, so it's useful for a variety of things like muscles, and you can also use them on tendons and ligaments as well. Similarly, it's soft, so there is a solid amount of resistance, but there is a solid amount of feedback. So it's not like it's going to hurt your muscles or bones or things like that when you're using it in the wrong spot, where some of the harder massage gun heads might actually do that. So I've said this in other videos before, but this is the one head that I wish companies would do to make like a really, really good softball head as a general purpose one, and then probably not include the more gimmicky ones inside of their packaging. I think this is the one I would use on most occasions, and it's probably the most important massage gun head. So sometimes I wish companies would just include a really, really good softball head in their packaging and then just kind of lower down on the other accessories, because I feel like that's a bit more of a marketing gimmick or whatever, because I rarely use the other heads. But it also feels like companies are starting to increase the quality and production of the other various types of heads. So maybe that's kind of the direction we're headed in now. So the next head I kind of want to talk about is this kind of flat head. And this is a really interesting head that I've been using a lot. It really works well for muscles, especially because it's kind of soft, so it has a bit of pliability, but it's also pretty solid, so it gives it packs enough of a punch. But this would be my second go-to as kind of a general purpose massage gun head. It doesn't glide as easily as the softball head, but I've also noticed it doesn't pick up as much skin. So I would use this whenever you feel like you're massaging muscle, or you want to massage muscle and you feel like you need something more flat, you don't want to push in more, this one is a great alternative to that as well. Next up, let's talk about the kind of more precision head. I don't think these really have type of names, but if I had something to call it, I would call it like a ballpoint head. And I would recommend using these on certain joints or ligaments that require or need some kind of like point or tip, you know what I mean? So let me give you an example. The one place that I have used this massage gun head on would be on my patellar tendonitis. So this is kind of a ligament that extends under your kneecap towards the kind of tibia, and I would use the pinpoint head to sometimes massage this out. You can use this with the softball head as well, but I've noticed sometimes the pinpoint might give me better leverage, or it would kind of push in more to the areas that I'm feeling pain. So if you have patellar tendonitis, that could be a good option for you to try and use this head. I don't like using it too much because it hurts. It's kind of made out of hard plastic material, so it's not the most comfortable to use on my body, but that would be the one situation where I would use this head in. The next head I want to talk about is kind of more of a mixture. It's a little bit of a flat head, but it's also kind of mixed in with the same material that's made from the precision head kind of thing. So this one I rarely use. I probably never really touched it, but I think it would be good in scenarios where you would not want to use the flat head and you need something that has a little more resistance, because the flat head is a little bit soft, so it might not get the job done in certain scenarios where you need something harder or more rigid. And that would be pretty much the only scenario I would use this head in. Like I said, most of the times I would use the softball head. All right, next up, the last head we're going to talk about is a very specific type of massage gun head as well. This is the kind of two-pronged massage gun head, and there is one specific area of the body I would use this in that actually works really well, so I don't mind them including it in packages like that, because it can do a lot of things that the softball head can't do. And this would be around the Achilles tendon. So if you have Achilles tendonitis, which is generally kind of irritated inflammation of the Achilles tendon from overwork, overwear, and stuff like that, you can actually take this two-prong head and massage around the Achilles tendon on areas that it would be kind of pulling the Achilles tendon back. So it's very useful in certain scenarios like this. That's where I would say I use this 90% of the time. Otherwise, I would rarely touch this as well. So it's very useful for certain situations where you're trying to reach around a certain tendon or ligament, but otherwise, general purpose, it isn't as useful as the softball head in my opinion. All right, so that was pretty much a quick guide, quick overview of the different various massage gun heads that are included in certain packages and when and where I would use them. I'm going to do a quick recap right now. 90% of the time I would use the softball head for general purpose type of massaging, especially on muscles. And then sometimes I would use the kind of flat, soft head. Sorry, these don't really have names, so it might be a little confusing. But that would be my other general purpose type of massage gun head. Certain situations, I would use the pinpoint or ballpoint kind of massage gun head to get in certain ligaments or tendons that are kind of harder to reach or need a more narrow or specific type of massage gun head. And then rarely I would use the other flat head, and sometimes I would use the two-pronged head for certain ligaments or tendons that I want to reach around. So hopefully this video helped. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please like the video down below, subscribe to this channel for more massage gun videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.